Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject Mathematics.
Welcome back, student. Today we are going to see exercise 2.1 7th sum. Read to 8 3/5 part of an apple. Okay. In this sum only one apple, but read to 8 3/5 part. Okay. And the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. The remaining part is eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? So first question is, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Okay, we find out this one. And the second, we find out who had the largest share. So compare the two fractions, 3/5, and one more we find out. So compare these two, we find out the answer, largest share who. Okay, and by whom, how much. And by how much means to the difference between the two fractions. 3/5 and one more fractions we find out. Somu's part is what. So we compare these two one and we find out larger part and the difference between the two shares and difference between the two part we find out how much. Okay, so first solution, let the whole part of the apple be 1. Here in this sum the total apple is only 1. Okay, of an apple, that means only one apple. So let the whole part of the apple be 1. Part of the apple eaten by Ritu equal to 3/5. We find out now. We find out the part of the apple eaten by her brother Somu. So the total apple is only 1 minus 3/5 for the part of the apple eaten by Ritu. So minus 3/5. Okay. Continuation of the 7th sum, 1 minus 3/5. So 1 is a whole number. In any whole number the denominator is 1. So 1 by 1 minus 3/5. First you multiply the denominator, 1 into 5. On the cross multiplication, 1 into 5 minus 3 into 1. Okay, 1 5 is 5 minus 3 1 is 3 and 1 5 also 1 5. Okay, 5 minus 3 answer is 2, in the denominator 5. So 2/5, this means part of an apple eaten by her brother Somu's. Okay, that means Somu's share is 2/5. Okay, now the second question is what, who had larger part. So we compare the two fractions, we find out the who had the larger part. Okay, now we compare 3/5, that means Ritu share is 3/5 and 2/5 share is Somu share. So Ritu is the larger part. Okay, so the share of Ritu was larger. Okay, the second question finished. The third question is by how much, that means difference between the two parts. Okay, two parts means Ritu's and Somu's part. Okay, difference. So 3/5 is the Ritu part, difference between, that means subtracted by Somu's part, 2/5. Okay, here the denominator is same, so you subtract the numerator value. So 3 minus 2/5, 3 minus 2 your answer 1, the denominator is 5. So difference between the two part is 1/5. Finally 3 questions we find out. Somu's share equal to 2/5 part and the larger part is Ritu's share. Okay, and difference between the two shares is 2 part is 1/5 part. Okay, next we see multiplication of fractions. First one, find the area of rectangle. Okay, length equal to 7 1/2 cm, breadth equal to 3 1/2 cm. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Okay, that means L into B. Here the length value is 7 1/2 cm and multiply 3 1/2 cm for breadth value. Here it is a mixed fraction, so change into improper fraction. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. In the denominator you have 2, so 15/2 cm. Multiply 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. The denominator value is 2. Okay, so 7/2 cm. In the addition or subtraction, in the denominator is same, you have to add the numerator or subtract the numerator value. But in the multiplication, okay, in the multiplication you have to multiply in the numerator value and you have to multiply in the denominator value. Okay, so 15 into 7, 2 into 2. Okay, listen carefully. An addition or subtraction, the denominator value is the same, you have to write only one time and you have to add the numerator value or you have to subtract the numerator value. But in the multiplication you have to multiply in the numerator and you have to multiply in the denominator. Okay, so 15 into 7 105, 2 into 2 4. Okay, so 105/4 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, the answer is centimeter square or square centimeter, both are correct. Okay, Centimeter into centimeter, you have to multiply. So the answer is centimeter square or square centimeter. Both are correct. So it is a improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction. 105 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. The remainder is 2. The next number is 5. So 6 4s are 24. The remainder is 1. Okay. So 26 is your quotient. So it is a whole number and remainder is your numerator and the divisor is your denominator. Finally, the area of rectangle answer is 26 1 by 4 centimeter square. Here multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Okay, in the figure 1 there is two circles. There are two circles. Each circle has 4 parts. Only one part is shaded. Okay, here 4 parts, 1 2 3 4 4 parts. One part is shaded. So 1 by 4 is the fraction of the circle. This circle also 1 by 4 parts. Okay, here to be added these fractions, added the two fractions. What's your answer? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Your answer is 2 by 4. In addition, the denominator is same. So you write in only one time in the denominator. Take a denominator as common. Okay. Only you add that numerator value. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 by 4 is your answer for the addition. Okay. Now we write in multiplication of a fraction. Okay. In this sum, now we convert into the, now we form in a multiplication of a fraction. Okay, how many times in 1 by 4 in this figure 1? 2 times in 1 by 4. Okay, so 2 into 2 times means 2 multiplied by 1 by 4. Okay, so in the here the 2 is the numerator, 2 is the whole number, 1 by 4 is the fraction. One whole number to be multiplied in fraction. What do you do in this case? In the whole number, multiply with the numerator and keeping the denominator the same. Okay, whole number multiply with the numerator and the denominator value. What's the denominator value? So keep the denominator value is the same. Okay, so 2 into 1 2 and the denominator value is 4. So 4. Okay, there here the whole number there is no, there is in 1 is the denominator, but we consider, we write only in whole number multiply with the numerator and keeping the denominator same. Okay, so 2 into 1 2 by 4. So this is the figure 1 answer is 2 by 4. Okay, in addition your answer also 2 by 4. In the multiplication your answer also 2 by 4. In figure 2 combine the two shaded parts we get. Combine the two figure part. Okay, in figure 2 that means in figure 1 combine the two shaded parts. Your answer is here only shaded, one part is shaded, this one part is shaded. So combine the two shaded parts. This is your answer. So how many parts in a circle? 4 parts. How many parts to be shaded? 2 parts. So 2 by 4 is the answer of figure 2. Is the both figures is same. Okay, in figure, observe this one. In figure 2, in figure 1 there is 2 circle, 1 by 4 1 by 4. The finally the answer of the multiplication of a fraction is 2 by 4. In the figure 2, combine the two shaded parts, we get to the answer is 2 by 4. So is this same? Yes, is this same. So 2 into 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 is the same one. Okay, listen, in figure 1 this one is the figure 1 picture. Okay, 1 by 4 1 by 4, that means the final answer 2 times of 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4. The figure 2 is 4 parts, only 2 parts is shaded, so 2 by 4. This 2 is same. Okay, 2 into 1 2 by 4. So the both the answers are same. Okay, the next one, can you say what these pictures will represent? This is the left hand side picture and this one is right hand pictures. Okay, the first one, how many parts? 4 parts, only one part shaded. Okay, so 1 by 4. Here also 4 parts, one part is shaded, so 1 by 4. The third one is also 4 parts and one part is shaded. Okay, in the right hand side, how many parts? 4 parts and 3 parts is shaded. Okay, here 3 times is 1 by 4. 1 2 3. So how many times? 3 times is 1 by 4. So 3 into 1 by 4 equal to this one for 3 by 4. Okay, in the whole number you have to multiply in the fraction. The whole number multiply with the numerator and keeping the denominator same. Okay, so 3 into 1 3 and the denominator is 4. Okay, so 3 into 1 3 and the denominator here 4. So 3 by 4 answer for the left hand side. Okay, and the right hand side you find out is 3 by 4. So both the answers, both the pictures is represent same. Okay, can you say what's this picture will represent? Yes, this two pictures is same. Here the pictures is 3 by 4. This one also 3 by 4. So both are same. 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, here the two ways to be solve it. 3 into 1 by 2. That means 3 times of 1 by 2. Okay, 3 times of 1 by 2. Multiply means times. So 3 times of 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 can be written as 3 times of 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, in the denominator you have 2. So take the common denominator 2. Okay, in the numerator value is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. The denominator is 2. Okay, 3 by 2 is your answer. This is the one method. Okay, first method this one, and the second method is, this is the simple. Okay, we also write 3 into 1 by 2 equal to, it is a whole number, it is a fraction. Okay, so 3 into numerator. Okay, the whole number multiply with the numerator by denominator. Okay, whole number multiply with the numerator. So 3 into 1 divided by the denominator. Okay, so 3 into 1, 3 by 2. So in this method you have the answer is 3 by 2. This method also your answer is 3 by 2. Okay, the second one, find 2 by 3 into 5. Here the first is the whole number and the second one is fraction. Here the second one is sum is first fraction and the second one is a whole number. This solution you have multiply the numerator multiply with the whole number. Okay, so 2 into 5, the denominator value is 3, so by 3. Okay, in the fraction the numerator multiply with the whole number. So 2 into 5, the denominator is 3, so by 3. So 2 5s are 10, the denominator is 3. So 10 by 3 is your answer. Listen, for proper fractions we have 4 into 3 by 5 is a proper fraction, multiply with a whole number. Okay, so whole number multiply with a numerator divided by denominator. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, the denominator is 5, so 12 by 5 is your answer. And for improper fractions we have 8 by 7, it is a improper fraction, multiple with a whole number. So whole number multiple with the numerator by denominator. So 3 8s are 24 by 7. Thus to multiply a whole number with a proper or an improper fraction. Okay, multiple with proper fraction a whole number, multiply with the proper fraction or improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator. Multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. Okay, and to multiply a mixed fraction to a whole number, first convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction and then multiply. Okay, 3 is a whole number, 2 5 by 7 is a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 3 into 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19 by 7. So whole number multiply with improper fraction. Okay, so whole number multiply with numerator 3 into 19 by 7. 3 19s are 57, the denominator is 7. It is an improper fraction, so change into mixed fraction. Okay, 57 divided by 7, so 8 7s are 56, the remainder is 1. The quotient is your whole number, the remainder is your numerator and the divisor is your denominator. So the answer is 8 1 by 7. Fractions as an operator of. Of means it is a multiplication. Okay, of means it is a multiplication. Example, 1 by 2 of 3. That means 1 by 2 multiply 3. Of means multiply. Okay, 1 by 2 multiply 3. So 1 into 3, 3 and the denominator is 2. So 3 by 2 is your answer. Okay, find out. First one, 1 by 2 of 10. Okay, here 1 by 2 of means multiply 10. Okay, so 1 into 10, 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2, your answer is 5. And here the second one is 2 by 5 of 25. Here the 2 by 5 of means multiply, it is a 25. Okay, here you have to multiply 25, multiply with 2 and divided by 5. Okay, 2 into 25, 50, and divided by 5, your answer is 10. And by cancellation, you find out this one, okay. 1 5 is 5, 5 5 is 25. So in the numerator, 2 into 5, the denominator value is 1, okay. 2 into 5, 10. The denominator is 1. So 10 by 1, the answer is 10, okay. In this sum, 2 ways to be find out the answer. One way is by cancellation, the another way is in a whole number multiply with the numerator, okay. 2 into 25, 50, divided by 5, that answer is 10. Dear students, today's homework, try these sums, page number 34 and 35. First one, find, okay. 4 sums in the first one, and if the product is an improper fraction, express it as a mixed fraction. That means your answer is a, for the multiplication, your answer is a improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction, okay. And second one, represent pictorially. That means to draw a picture. 2 into 2 by 5 equal to 4 by 5. 2 times of 2 by 5 equal to 4 by 5. The third one is find 1 by 4 of 16. Do your homework properly.